thing called a bit too shy.
Hi guys, I'm back with another video. So I just took a trip to Ulta Beauty, and I'm just gonna show you guys what I got, and I'll probably try and do a look with this stuff. So first I got the Zulu palette by Juvia's Beauty, I guess. It's a really colorful palette, so I'm super excited about it, and I was gonna actually order it online, but I didn't want to pay for shipping, so I'm really glad I came to Ulta. So there's the cover, and then there's that palette. And next I got two eyeliners because I ran out of liquid eyeliner, and I usually use the Fenty Fly liner, but they don't have that in Ulta, and I couldn't make it to Sephora today, so I got the NYX That's the Point liquid eyeliner, and then I also got the plain white liquid eyeliner. And then I got a primer because I've been trying to use the Can't Stop Won't Stop primer, and it's just really, I don't know, flaky. I don't know what's wrong with it, but it's not for me. So I got the Studio Perfect Photo Loving primer, and I guess this is supposed to be a dupe for the Smashbox photo something primer, so which was the primer I used to use until I got broke, because it's $32 for a little bottle, so it's really just, it's a lot. So then I got the Morphe High Impact Highlighter in Mirage. I was not even gonna get a highlighter, but I stopped and saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, I need it. There's the highlight. And then let me just swatch it. There's the color on my finger, and then isn't it just, it's so beautiful, and I'm so excited to use it. It's like the perfect shade of gold. So those are the things that I purchased, and then I also got 2 free gifts. I don't know why. It might be because it was my birthday, it might be because I spent a lot of money and they felt bad for me. Buxom Big T's mascara. It's like the plumping mascara, and it's just the small size, but I'm excited to use that because I wanted to try that for a while. And I got this cute little bag from Pure, which is adorable. It has like confetti in it, and it actually has a primer in it, which I'm not going to use, I guess, but it has this no filter blurring photography primer, so I'm definitely going to try that at some point. And then it also comes with a mascara, so got 2 of them now. I might try this today. This is the Fully Charged mascara. And then lastly I got a what looks like a liquid lip. I think it says Twinsies. I don't think it's so small. I don't know if you can read that, but okay, it's really pretty. It's like a nude-ish pink. It's like a good pink for my skin tone that I could like blend into something darker. Yeah, and then I have this cute little bag now, so I'm going to go put in my contacts and then we can get started on the look. Okay, so I did my brows, and there's still some color there. I was trying out a couple of the colors, but I'm going to re-prime my eye with a really light concealer so we can see some pigment. And then, wow, that got in my hair. Oh, I'm gonna blend it out with a sponge. Unstoppable. Don't know what I did it for. I need it. Okay, so I'm gonna take the Zulu palette and I'm gonna go into the oh, it's so pretty. Probably the pink color. Down the line, honey, on and on through the clear night sky. That is so super pigmented, and I love it. Wow, okay. I'm going to take the orange next and blend that right underneath. Satellite spinning away, almost lost forever and leaving no trace, floating through the darkest reaches of space to another galaxy. Our polarity shifted around, there's nothing else left holding us. I don't know why this concealer doesn't seem as thick as mine. It's literally the same thing in a different shade. So we have somewhat of a crease. Oh man. Okay. I just can't escape the pull. The yellow's not super bright to be honest. I don't know why I can't find a yellow that's like bright enough for me. Look at that. It's like it's like it's not trying. I thought it'd be so cute to do a little ombre look, but well, there's a shimmery shade in here, so let me just hop to that. I'm gonna take this orange and blend it in here. See, that orange is so much like better, but the yellow, I don't know. Let's be at peace, we'll fly. I'm really trying my best. Well, we have something. Yeah, I'm gonna put on some eyeliner. This is the NYX one that I got from Ulta. Floating through the darkest reaches of space to another galaxy. Our polarity shifted around. There was nothing else left holding us down. But it's oh, I got eyeliner in my eye. It's fine. It's fine. Keep on trucking. Pretty cute. Wow. Alrighty, let me do my other eye and I will come back to finish my face. I literally hate the new lash glue I got. I'm so upset. It's literally taken me like 20 minutes to try and put this lash on and it's still not staying and I'm just so angry. It just exploded everywhere. Oh. Got all over my camera, all over my makeup. It's on the floor. It's in my carpet. The audacity, because I was hating on it, but don't buy this. Just don't. Kidding me? It's on my chair. I got in my makeup literally. And the lash is still looking dumb. I'm returning this. I'm returning it. I'm not about to sit here and be played by lash glue. Absolutely not. It's like not sticking to where it should stick to. I'm just saying, I don't show up to work and not do my job. And that's exactly what this lash glue is doing. Stick! I'm use the ABH Stick Foundation in Ebony. I didn't use primer. I took my foundation off, put on the Studio Perfect NYX primer, put the same ABH foundation back on. I just feel like I'm rushing a lot because I'm kind of nervous on camera, as you can tell from every other video I've ever made. And I just need to like take a deep breath and it'll be fine because I'm stressing out for no reason. Okay, the lashes really defeated me today, but whatever. Let's highlight.
I see you with the ball every day. She find a way out of the window to sneak out late. She used to meet me on the Eastside in the city with the sun on set. And every day
I'm doing strictly color, no contour. Because that's just the look I'm going for, okay? So get over it.
Wanna drive down to the coast, jump in the sea. Just take my hand and come with me here.
Okay, and then what I'm going to do is take a sponge and I'm going to take this translucent airspun powder. I literally used to use this every day and I don't know what happened. I mean, it's still like a good powder.
17 and we got a dream to have a family, a house and
I'm gonna let that bake, but I'm also gonna like powder the rest of my face. I'm about to look like a ghost for a second. This is such a look. So if you ever do this and you don't want to continue looking like a ghost, take a powder that is the same color as your skin tone and use that to wipe it off. I hope this works.
And baby, you know I just wanna leave tonight. We can go anywhere we want. Drive down to the coast, jump in the sea. Just take my hand and come with me.
Man, this has been an interesting video.
Line through it. My love is yours if you're willing to take it. Give me a heart.
Do I look like a ghost? A little bit. That's fine. Let's get into some new stuff. We have the Morphe highlighter and the High Impact highlighter Mirage. I haven't purchased a new highlighter in quite some time. Wow. Okay. Let me move my bang.
On the east side.
This is so extra and beautiful. That's literally like a light layer, and this is like kind of heavy, honestly, but wow. I'm gonna put it all over my whole face, but like, I guess I don't really need to do that. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. I'm literally out here trying to blend with a dry sponge. It is not my night.
Try to let me know what's on your mind.
Okie dokie. Let's do this mascara. This is the Buxom Big Tease. Even though I'm mad at my lashes today because of this whole debacle, I'm still gonna treat them right. It's like, did you hear that? This is so stupid. My lashes are like halfway on. They look stupid. I just want to say that I still prospered even with the lash debacle somewhat. So it just goes to show what dedication brings. Or whatever.
I want your love and not another.
This highlighter is literally giving me life. Okay, lipstick is a hit or miss, so I don't know. I'm just gonna put on this Fenty lip balm, gloss bomb. Not having a good day. Okay, so that's everything. I really like the palette. It's really pigment. Honestly, this was a rough video because I don't know, everything just seemed to be going wrong and I'm really frustrated about that. But I prevailed and I finished, so that has to count for something. I also had a giveaway that I have not picked a winner for yet, so I'm going to do that. I found this program that randomizes stuff. Oh, I missed a call. And so from the people that commented on my Instagram post, the video, and then the people that commented on any of my YouTube videos, and the winner is Shraddha. Shraddha, I'm so excited you won. I miss you so much, by the way. DM me your address and I will send you your gifts. So I hope everyone enjoyed this video. Sorry it was a mess, and I will see you next time.
Wouldn't dare to